Now, wait a minute, guys. TJ, Sean, and Paige,
There's a hole in it!
take one step backwards.
It's peeing! We need CPR!
Okay.
It has a hole in it!
Okay.
You guys don't move. Those guys
Here!
Okay, now you all throw it to the other guys. Okay. Wait a minute, Sean. Take another step back, guys. No, you all stay still. Nicholas, can it back. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Here! Get here, Mark it!
Okay. Take another step back.
Mark it!
That's Nicholas. Okay, throw it again.
I know, you're not answering, babe.
Keep going. See
See how far you can go. Be real gentle. Gentle.
Ooh!
Get him, Marcus.
Oh.
Okay, put it in the garbage can.
It won't go anymore!
Garbage can.
Where'd it go? Oh, yeah!
T. You and Nicholas doing it this time?
Yeah!
You gotta change partners. Okay.
Okay.
Paige and Sean.
Sean and Paige.
No, me and Nicholas!
No, you gotta change partners, Sean.
You're changing partners, Sean. You're with Paige.
I want to get wet!
No. Okay, stand closer, okay?
Scoot over. No, you.
Stand closer. Stand closer. Y'all can get closer. That's good. Now, throw it, toss it. Oh, that's a good one, Marcus. I like that pass. Okay, now you have to take a step backwards once you get the balloons, okay?
Go back.
Okay, Jessica.
Okay.
Side don't!
Okay. Okay. Take a step backwards.
Come on.
Oh, good catch, Jessica.
Here. In that hole. So just throw it. Here. Son, watch it. Watch it.
Okay, guys. Now, TJ, step back. Okay.
You made us move. Get it.
Good catch.
Now, Jessica, be careful. TJ, don't throw it so hard.
Gentle. Gentle. One more step back, guys.
Oh, jeez, I've never been this far.
You know, this would have been, when I was coaching baseball, this would have been a good drill for it because they concentrate real hard.
Oh, my God.
Oh, man, Jessica. Good.
Here, keep on going. Mark it. Mark it.
Throw it again, Marcus.
TJ, wait.
Throw it again.
Wait, Dawn, 60.
3.
63.
Oh, my gosh, it's so... I got it.
Boy.
So, just throw it.